Hello everyone and welcome back to another eyeshadow tutorial. In this video I'm using the Second Nature Morphe palette, the 3502 from Morphe, and I hope you guys like how this look turned out, and if you guys try it, tag me at KInfinity. I want to see your guys' looks, if any of you actually try my looks, but yeah, keep on watching. Alright, so I did prime my lids with some concealer, and now I'm taking the M456 Morphe brush, and I'm taking the color Contour, and that's kind of like a medium brown, and I wouldn't say dark brown because we're going to use a dark brown, but it's like a medium reddish brown. You can kind of see the little red in it. I was fixing the angle right here, you know, gotta get them good angles. Alright, and I finished blending that out, and with the same brush I'm gonna be taking the color Orb, which is a little bit lighter. And I'm just blending it in side to side motions, window wiper motions. And right here, I am deepening the crease with the shade Rich. It's a dark brown. And then I cut the crease in the middle. And what I'm doing with my fingers, like I'm trying to diffuse the line so the line is not like straight, and it's kind of, it looks like a little fade. I'm taking the M431. I'm gonna be taking the color Fire, and honestly this color is the reason I bought the palette. Like, it's so pretty, it stands out of the palette, and like, I don't know, it's so nice. And we're gonna be putting that in the middle of where the concealer is, and then I took a smaller brush because I really wanted to get in that edge, the M124. I really wanted to get in that edge without going past the line, past the concealer. And what you want to do is like a kind of like a triangle shape, like at the edges, make it diagonal, and it's gonna look like a little pizza or a little triangle. And this is the first look I've done with this palette, the Second Nature palette. And honestly, it's really cheap. I think it was like around 26 with tax. And I got it at Ulta. Shout out to Bay. And then I'm just fixing right there, trying to deepen it a little bit, make it more vibrant. And then for the edge, I am taking the color Orb and placing it right where Fire meets like the other, like right where Fire is. Like, I'm trying to put Orb right there, as you can see right there. And then I took the shade Rich to deepen the outer crease, the outer corner and the inner corner. So yeah, I took that. That's the color Rich. Just deepening the outer corner and inner corner, and then I'm gonna deepen a little bit at the top of where Fire is. With the M506. I'm gonna really get in the inner corner and outer corner. It's a more smaller brush and it's good for those placements. And it's also good if you see what I'm doing, like I'm deepening the top part without really getting into the fire. And it's so small, like it fits perfect in there. Alright, next I'm taking this that brush I use for fire, and I'm trying to put the shade Sauce in it, which is like an orangey shimmer, but it wasn't really coming out with the brush, so I went in with my finger. And yeah, that's how you get the most pigment, if you use your finger. Now just tapping it on there. You can see a little bit of that orange, shimmery orange. And yeah, the name is Sauce. Next, taking some Tarte glitter liner in the shade White Gold. I'm gonna put it where fire and sauce is, just to make it really pop. And you guys don't have to do this, I just, I'm extra. And then taking that small brush we used for the inner and outer corner, we're gonna take Rich and put it in the outer third of the lower lash line. And then take Orb and put it in the rest of the eye. Making the outer portion round. And you could also put some tape on there if you want it to be like straight out. I want it to be rounded for this look. And I'm taking the shade Pure as the inner corner highlight. Alright, I applied some lashes and some nude eyeliner in the waterline. What do you guys think of the look? Drop a like. And here's going to be another close-up. So here's another close-up with flash. And also my next video will most likely be my boyfriend does my voiceover. So let's see if he does a good job on that. And my video with him, my last video with him did pretty good, so I think you guys like him. He's pretty funny, so let's see how funny he is on my next video. And yeah, thanks for watching this eyeshadow tutorial with the Second Nature palette, the 3502. Subscribe.